RaniShadi.com. For the first time, you have graced the producer's seat. How do you feel about it?
The director's seat.
The director's, sorry.
Yeah, I feel wonderful. I've been a cinematographer in this industry for a while now, and this is my first film as a director, and so it's been fabulous.
What is the difference? Like, you were into cinematography first, and now you're a director. So how does it work?
You know, the difference is as simple as when you're a cinematographer, you go to somebody else's party as a guest. When you're a director, you are the host. You know, everybody else comes to your party. So it's just the difference between being a guest and a host. The responsibility is much bigger. You're also you're also psychologically and emotionally responsible for so many people, so many different departments. So it's like almost it's the difference between being a captain of a team and as opposed to being just a bowler or that kind of thing. But creatively, of course, it is film is primarily always a director's vision. So just your own responsibility to kind of bring your vision 100% on screen, just that responsibility is immense. I mean, it is usually just to yourself, So that's where I think psychologically there's a big gap between being a cinematographer and being a director.
Right. Talking about your film, what made you choose this concept? Like, what came to your mind that you suddenly thought of doing a film on intercaste marriage?
The idea came from my co-writer Navjot Gulati, and he had this idea about doing this a story about this character who's based in Amritsar, this guy from Patna who lives and works in Amritsar, and he strikes upon the idea to start a service to help people run away and get married. And then I liked the idea, so I thought this is an interesting film there. And we started developing it together, and then we made it into a website, and wrote many other characters together. But the idea primarily came from Navjot. It was his brainwave.
Okay. And what about Taapsee and Amit made you think that they were just apt for this role?
Yeah, when I started, after we'd written the script, initially we didn't have any, a lot of times when you're writing a script, you have somebody in mind. We couldn't get the right sort of reference point to which kind of an actress should be playing Taapsee. Pariniti had done some similar sort of genre, thodi Mufat Ladki was up, but we still didn't have a clear idea of who can really play Nimmi's character. And then Navjot, he mentioned Taapsee to me, and I saw some pictures on the net. I hadn't seen any of her films. Even though Chashme Badur had just come out. And it just so happened that through a casting director friend of ours, Abhishek Banerjee, we immediately organized a meeting with Taapsee. And she happened to be in town coincidentally. And so, आज हमने decide तापसी के बारे में सोचा तो कल सुबह उससे meeting fix हो गई. तो हमने जब उसको मिला, when we met her, we met her at the coffee shop and Marriott hotel, and तो वो आई और वो बैठी और उसने बोलना चालू किया, and within 30 seconds it just hit me कि oh my god, this is Nimmi. Like, she is just bang on. मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना था. If I could just capture her the way she is, then I thought I'm home. So that was Taapsee's story. And she was also very forthcoming, and so I gave her the script. Immediately she read it, got back. She said, I want to do this film. So she was on. Similarly, Amit ka maine Kai Poche had come out, so I had seen Kai Poche, and I had really, of all the characters in Kai Poche and all the performances, I thought Amit's performance was standout. It was absolutely out of the world. And then Mukesh Chhabra, who is a renowned casting director and a friend of ours, he said ki Amit ko milo. He said ki just meet Amit. So he organized a meeting with Amit. And when I met Amit at a Bandra restaurant. So Amit was a cool Bandra boy ban ke aaya tha, which is a remarkably different image than what he did in Kai Poche. He'd also put on a little bit weight for Kai Poche. He looked a little older. So suddenly I saw this young, good-looking boy, very cool, and very hip. And I said, "Oh my God, this guy can transform himself to become that." So, so he's such a good actor. He can literally play anything. So it's immediately I said, "Okay, there's something in this guy." And then I gave him the script, and he also read it in the next 2-3 hours, and called me and he said, "I want to do this film." So both these, both Taapsee and Amit, just like were my most spontaneous. They were probably, I would like to say, they're the best decisions of my life.
You just spoke about Taapsee, the way she used to talk and everything.
Yeah.
That's what made you cast her for the role. So do you think Kareena has played a similar role, Geet, and people still think about it. So do you think Taapsee's role would also be liked as much by the audience?
I think will be even more because Geet was obviously till Geet happened there was no reference point for Geet. But Geet and Taapsee are different characters. While they basically are Sadanis from Punjab, but beyond that there's nothing in common between them. But what I did with Taapsee is actually also instrumental in writing a lot of the material, because what me and Navjot used to do, because there was some time for the till we started shooting, and both of them were relatively they were relatively free. So we had the luxury of spending a lot of time together workshopping. We used to workshop we used to do script readings, we used to rehearse. तो हम क्या करते थे कि we used to record each rehearsals. So and I would let them improvise, a lot. I would tell Taapsee ki acha dekh, this is what I've written, me and Navjot have written, but you see how you want to say this line. Do you want to say it in your way? I really believe that no matter what the writer or the director writes, the actors should own the dialogue. They should own the lines. It should be coming from them internally. So then they can bring their little nuances and their little touches, which actually takes the writing somewhere else. So that's what we used to do. Both Taapsee and Amit would improvise a lot. Taapsee especially got in a lot of her mannerisms, a lot of her observations, a lot of her how she is in real life into the character, and then we would record all of that back and write it back in the script. We used to put it back in the script. So the final draft that we shot is finally distilled from all the different sessions of improvising and workshopping of how they wanted to craft it. So abhi, I don't even, it's the lines have got blurred. Even I don't remember कि ये line मैंने लिखा था, कि तापसी ने लिखा था, कि ये नवजोत ने लिखा था, कि अमित का आइडिया था. So I just feel that we just worked so organically. So everybody is part of what we created.
Lastly, what are your expectations at the box office from the film?
I don't know what to expect. That's a completely new territory. अब तक ये होता था कि मैं as a cinematographer लोग या तो फिल्म क्रिटिक्स और रिव्यूज तक ही मेरा काम खत्म हो जाता था, जहाँ पे either people praise me or didn't, or I got work. So box office is a very new territory for me. I still don't understand what is the numbers, what are the maths. मतलब मेरे को इतना पता है कि मैंने फिल्म अच्छे small budget में बनाई है. I have made it actually less than the budget I was given to me. So my producers are very happy that I managed to. When I met Ronnie and Shujit, तो I had said कि उन्होंने पूछा कि कितने दिन लगेगा तेरे को फिल्म शूट करने में. So I said I think roughly 50 days. And I think I finished the film in 42 days. So I finished it well within schedule, well ahead of within budget. So I'd like to believe that it's a film made on a nice tight budget, and I think it should, whatever numbers it does, it should at least do well for everybody who's invested in the film.
Okay, all the best for the film.
Thank you so much. Bye.